Bring life to the darkest corners of your home. Even without sunlight, indoor greenery can thrive, purifying the air, calming the mind, and instantly elevating your space. These hardy green companions love minimal light, need very little care, and add freshness, balance, and natural elegance effortlessly. Let's explore the top indoor plants that flourish in zero to very low sunlight. Arrowhead plant, Syngonium podophyllum. It can survive indoors with zero to very low light because it naturally grows on shaded tropical forest floors where direct sunlight is rare. Its leaves are designed to absorb even minimal ambient or artificial light, allowing basic photosynthesis to continue. In low-light conditions, the plant slows its growth, conserves energy, and uses stored nutrients efficiently. This adaptive behavior helps prevent stress and dehydration indoors. Because it does not depend on bright light, it performs well in dark rooms, corridors, and offices, making it a reliable choice for low-light interiors. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum, is one of the toughest indoor plants and can tolerate zero to very low light indoors due to its natural adaptation to shaded rainforest environments. In the wild, it grows beneath dense tree canopies, surviving on filtered and reflected light. Indoors, it adjusts by slowing its growth rate and efficiently using stored energy in its vines and roots. Its thick, waxy leaves reduce moisture loss and remain healthy even under artificial lighting. This strong adaptability makes pothos ideal for dark rooms, offices, and low-light corners where most plants fail. ZZ plant, Zamioculcas zamifolia, is perfectly suited for indoor spaces with almost no light because it behaves like a natural power saver. Instead of depending on regular sunlight, it survives by locking moisture and nutrients inside its thick underground stems. Its glossy leaves act as protective shields, reducing stress from dry air and low brightness. In dim rooms, the plant remains stable rather than actively growing, which prevents exhaustion. This self-regulating nature allows it to stay green, firm, and attractive for long periods, making it an excellent choice for offices, hallways, and shaded indoor corners. Heartleaf philodendron, Philodendron scandens. It adapts effortlessly to indoor spaces with zero to very low light because of its flexible growth nature. Rather than demanding brightness, it focuses on maintaining healthy vines and strong roots under dim conditions. Its heart-shaped leaves remain soft and vibrant by efficiently using ambient indoor light, even from lamps. When light is limited, the plant shifts energy towards survival instead of rapid expansion, preventing stress. This calm, adaptable behavior allows it to trail beautifully in shaded rooms, shelves, and offices, making it a dependable and visually pleasing choice for low-light indoor environments. Dump cane, Dieffenbachia segae. It performs well indoors with zero to very low light because it is naturally built for sheltered environments. Its broad, patterned leaves are excellent at capturing scattered indoor light, helping the plant remain active without direct sun. In dim conditions, it prioritizes leaf strength and moisture balance rather than fast growth, which keeps it healthy. The thick stems support steady nutrient movement even when light is limited. This balanced internal system allows dump cane to stay lush and decorative in shaded rooms, making it a popular choice for indoor spaces with low natural light. Spider plant, Chlorophytum camosum. It adapts surprisingly well to indoor areas with zero to very low light because of its strong survival instincts. Instead of relying on brightness, it focuses on maintaining its root system, which efficiently stores nutrients and moisture. Its slender, arching leaves continue basic functions under artificial or reflected light. When light is scarce, the plant slows production of new shoots but keeps existing foliage healthy. This smart adjustment helps it remain fresh and resilient, making the spider plant a reliable option for shaded rooms, bathrooms, and office interiors. Snake plant, Sansevieria trifasciata, is exceptionally well suited for indoor spaces with zero to very low light because of its extreme tolerance and self-sustaining nature. Its upright, thick leaves are designed to retain water and function efficiently even when light levels are minimal. Instead of showing stress, the plant simply pauses active growth and maintains its structure. It can rely on indoor ambient or artificial light to survive for long periods. This tough, no-demand behavior allows the snake plant to stay strong and visually striking in dark corners, bedrooms, and low-light office environments. English ivy, Hedera helix. It manages low-light indoor conditions with ease due to its adaptable climbing nature. Rather than depending on direct sunlight, it spreads slowly and maintains leaf health using available ambient light. Its flexible vines and small leaves help reduce energy demand, allowing the plant to remain stable in shaded spaces. In darker rooms, it focuses on sustaining existing growth instead of producing new shoots. This steady, low-effort survival approach keeps English ivy looking fresh and graceful, making it a suitable choice for indoor shelves, hanging baskets, and dimly lit corners. Parlor palm, Comedoria elegans. It thrives indoors with zero to very low light because it is naturally accustomed to calm, shaded environments. Its soft, feather-like fronds are gentle light users, functioning well under ambient indoor illumination. Instead of rapid growth, the plant maintains a slow, balanced rhythm that prevents stress in dim areas. It also tolerates stable indoor temperatures and low brightness without leaf damage. This relaxed growth habit allows the parlor palm to remain elegant and green in shaded rooms, corners, and office spaces where stronger light is not available. Chinese evergreen, Aglaonema commutatum, is perfectly suited for indoor areas with zero to very low light because of its efficient and steady nature. Its beautifully patterned leaves are designed to make the most of soft, indirect illumination, even from artificial sources. In darker settings, the plant maintains its color and structure by conserving energy rather than pushing new growth. It also handles indoor humidity and temperature changes with ease. This dependable balance allows Chinese evergreen to stay lush and decorative in shaded rooms, hallways, and offices with minimal natural light.